Welcome students. Now we discuss about manufacturing technology subject, unit number 4, CNC machine tool, and topic is major component related to CNC machine tools. In CNC machine tools used for different major components for applying our part programming to machining. The major one is part programming, a series of coded instruction required to produce a part program is control the movements of the machine tool and on off control of auxiliary function such as spindle rotation, coolant, spindle traveling speed, and coolant on off. All this auxiliary function will be controlled with the supporting of this part programming. The coded instruction are composed of letters, numbers, and symbols. The program input device. The program input device is the means of part program to be entered in the CNC control. Three commonly used program input devices are punch tap reader, magnetic tap reader, and computer via RS-232C communication. These are the devices to develop the part programming in the CNC machines indirectly. And also this is using to input device in the part CNC machines. And next one, machine control unit. It is the heart of a CNC system. It is used to perform the following functions: to read the code instruction, to decode the coded instruction, to implement interpolation like linear interpolation, circular, or helical, to generate axis motion commands, to feed the axis motion command to the amplifier circuit to drive the axis mechanism, to receive the feedback signal from position and speed for each drive axis, to implement auxiliary control functions such as coolant or spindle on off and tool change one. These are the main control units of CNC machines. Next, machine tool. CNC control are used to control various types of machine tools, which many type of machine tool is controlled. It always has a slide table and spindle to control position and speed. The machine table is controlled in a X and Y axis, while the spindle run along the Z axis. In CNC machine, our input device will be getting the codes from the input device itself, and it will be moved to the machine control unit. That machine control unit will be giving the signal from input to the machine in terms of movement in the table and spindle. For the table will be moving X and Y direction, and spindle will be moving in the Z direction, like 3 degree of freedom system. Mostly the milling machine will be having a 3 degree of freedom. For in CNC turning machine have only 2 degree of freedom, like X and Y degree of freedom. Next, feedback system. The feedback system is also referred to as the measuring system. It uses position and speed translation to continuously monitor the position at which the cutting tool is located at any particular instant. The machine control unit uses the difference between a reference signals and feedback signal to generate the control signals from correct position and speed of spindle. The feedback system will be having a control unit, like two different types of control systems are having open loop control system and closed loop control system. In open loop control system, it means the signals cannot to giving the written one. The spindle will give only for input signal and it will be move. But closed loop signal, it means it will be give the command from machine control unit to spindle, and spindle position will be check and giving to feedback the position, correct position to the machine control unit. So machine control unit will be compare the input and reality of position and it will be command again. The drive system. Drive are used to provide controlled motion to CNC element. A drive system consists of amplifier circuit, drive motors and ball lead screw. The machine control unit feeds the control signal position, like position speed of each axis to the amplifier circuits. The control signals are arranged to articulate drive motors, which in turn rotate the ball lead screw to position the machine table. Then thank you students.